Breaking news! Breaking news! Welcome to the Airline Show. Welcome to the Earthquake Report. Indonesia. Alert, alert! Mega quakes. 6.9 and 6.8 in the area of Bengkulu in Indonesia. Just less than 24 hours ago since the Philippine quake of the 6 points downgraded to about 6.6. Now we having a 6.9 and a 6.8 in the area of Bengkulu, Indonesia. Lord, Lord, Lord. All right. Here's what we hear now. There is some tsunami warnings being triggered, but we're still waiting for more information to come out. This just happened recently, and you know how that moves. So let's go to the map for a moment. Now you guys know my videos are not edited, so they are one shot. Here we go. Here's the area where it happened, right? Highly populated areas here. Two of them right off the coast right here, Jakarta, Sumatra area, right? So you can see how, right? Here's the area exactly right off the coast. Tsunami warning has been triggered in the area. Let's see if there's anything. I think they just went off here, but we'll keep you posted as more information comes out. Two single quakes right there, no aftershocks so far been reported, and this is in the area of Indonesia. Here's the other quake that we just had. Are they related? Is there any? This is a big distance between here and here, but here's 6 point. Yesterday was 6.6, and today we have two aftershocks probably of 4.8 each in that area, right? Here's where the quake happened yesterday. So guys, I'm gonna turn this around. This was just an update on the earthquake report. Excuse me. So we know the earth moves, right? Constantly. Those mega plates constantly shifting. Some areas are more fragmented than others. Don't be a dummy. Be prepared. Also, we're talking about the Hurricane Genevieve, Category 4 off the coast of Baja California, getting there tomorrow. A lot of warning out there, a lot of alert. Make sure people are safe. People are taking this seriously. I mean, Category 4, look at those winds. They're packing winds over 130 miles per hour. That could be devastating, right? So guys, take these warnings very seriously. Prepare. Anyways, you take a time off to prepare, to make sure that you're safe. Once this thing passes away, then you go back to your life. But don't put your life at risk and the life of first responders. Earthquakes, we know, is hard to predict, but if we live in the ring of fire, we know that we need to be prepared for the eventuality that we run into one of them. Last year, I went through a 6.4 and a 7.1 here in Southern California. Elita left us all this humidity. Today was 108 degrees over here with 25-30% humidity. Insanity. And tomorrow be 100, but then we expect temperatures to be up in that area there. This is one of the hottest summers and more humid summers that I ever experienced in my life, living here for many decades. Okay, so please be safe out there. Make sure that if you're in the area where these things are going to occur, that you are safe and that you have your preparations done and you take care of your family and pets too. All right, take care, guys. We'll keep you posted if anything else comes up. I hope no injuries, no major damage in these areas where these mega quakes have happened. This quake actually was actually a little bit shallow, I believe. Let's take a quick review here. At 6.9, it was only, well, this one was 26 kilometers deep, and the other one was 22. So, but still, the tsunamis are also a concern in those areas, right? Like my friend here, don't be a dummy. Prepare yourself. Stay away from, you know, uh, areas that can be of a danger. Okay. Take care. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Have a great day. Take care.